guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while, I know, it's embarrassing, but we're back. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Latrell. I go by iloveyoutrell. And here on my channel, we love to talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle with a few vlogs in between. And today we're going to be getting into some makeup because, like I said, it's been a while. I got some stuff from the Sephora Spring Sale. Say that 5 times fast. And y'all know I'm going to share it with y'all because better late than never. And I'm going to let you guys know about some of the stuff that I sent back because not everybody got to stay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It has been a very, and I mean a very long time since I have sat down in this room, in this seat, and decided to film some content for you guys. So I'm super excited. I'm glad I had like some motivation and energy to do it today. Honestly, I went to Sephora, I returned some stuff that I got from the spring sale, and I was like, I haven't shown you guys anything, and you guys know that I love to share what my purchases are and kind of give you guys my recommendations. I'm very late. I am very late, girl. Sorry. But I'm going to be showing you guys what I got and what I kept. I'm probably just going to kind of lightly touch on what I actually purchased and returned because I don't think it's worth your money. But like I said, we're going to get into the good stuff. So before we get into it, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I've been MIA, girl, but I'm back. So I am going to actually get started with one of the new products that I got, which is this Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Face Base. So this primer, you guys, retails for $24. That is the small version. I got the small version because I didn't know if I was gonna like it. So I think it's like 0.50 ounces. This one is $24, which is already expensive. So I had to make sure I loved it before I committed to the full size product. This one here is kind of like a cream. It's not like your typical primer where it's like jelly textured or like silicone type of textured. This is literally kind of pretty much a moisturizer. When I got it, I didn't know if I was to kind of use this like as my moisturizer and primer together, but I still moisturize my face prior to. So the consistency of this, y'all, is like pretty thick. Like this is like thicker than my Pond's type thick. So, you know, for me, I love it. I think it's gonna give you, again, an extra layer of moisture, which it kind of, you know, is for. It has a nice, like soft, super soft lemony smell. It's almost giving lemon pledge. So we're not going to use a hydro grip because I don't need to double prime, and I want to show you guys what it looks like on its own. So I did use this product already. All these products I've used already, so I like them. And like I said, there's some stuff that I returned that I'll talk about a little bit later while we get into the process. But the next thing that I got from the Sephora sale is the Shiseido Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation, and it also has SPF 30. In my last video, I told you guys that I was going to be doing another foundation routine, and that was actually not this foundation, but I got this one for the sale, so we're just going to skip over that other one. We'll probably go back to it at some other point. But this one right here, I thought I was in love with the Makeup by Mario, girl, but this one right here has been everything for me. So this one I got in the shade of 430 Cedar, and so this one says it's a balanced tone for rich tan skin. I've worn this too. So we went to the Warriors game, we went to a wedding, and it's just beautiful. It's so freaking nice. I have this little, like, I don't know what you call this. This is like kind of a, I don't know what I would call this. I've been drinking. This little palette thingy. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna apply it to there. And I'll probably just do maybe 2 pumps. 1, 2, 3. 3 pumps. This foundation is a natural finish. So it's going to give you real skin. It's a little bit more coverage. It's medium, and it's a little bit more coverage than like the Rare Beauty, for example. But the way that this just blends in, like, look at this. Look at this. This is so freaking beautiful. So ever since I started using this, I've been hooked. You guys know I did get the Makeup by Mario. I really like that one. However, I don't know why our foundations like really out here trying to compete with each other. Like, I mean, I get it, but I like this one a little more than I like Mario's. This one retails for $47, which is why I waited until the spring sale to try it out, because I didn't need it, but I needed it. So The foundation itself does, like I said, come with SPF 30, which is really good because I have a very bad habit of not actually putting on sunscreen. So if you do need to, you know, kind of have that extra coverage, not if you need to, we do need to, but if you forget to put it on like me, or you just kind of don't care, then this kind of covers you because it has it built into the product. So I remember working at Clinique, some people used to be like so anti like SPF in their foundations because they used to think that it would change the color of their foundations. What?
In my AirPods.
Oh my gosh.
Continue. I'm not even here.
You are.
I'm not.
Get out. See, you made me lose my train of thought.
You were saying SPF with the foundation.
Yeah.
Go ahead. You're good. I was never here.
Ugh. So like I was saying, people used to say that like they felt like the SPF in the foundations used to like change the color. I don't necessarily see that, not at least with this foundation. So I really like it. Like I said, I wore this at nighttime and it was beautiful. I wore it during a wedding and it was amazing. So I definitely would recommend this foundation. Like, I'm sorry to say that a lot of the foundations that I wear, obviously, I recommend. But like, I really recommend this, girl. I really recommend it. Do I recommend it more than the Mario though? For a skin type that doesn't want hydrating looking skin, I would. Although this does claim to have like a radiant finish, I do feel like it's a little bit still more toned down than what the Mario is giving, because that one was giving, girl, you just slicked down. And so this one is just a little bit toned down, but definitely still giving radiant skin. So the next thing that I got is the Kosas Super Creamy and Brightening Concealer. So this concealer I got in 7.5, and this is the shade Tan with a subtle peach undertone. So I wanted something that definitely did not blend in per se, but also kind of gave a slight brightening effect to the skin. I've just like always had this in my cart and never really knew if it was worth the $30 price point, because it's $30 for a concealer. But when I used this, I was like, okay, I am not upset with the purchase. Now, like I said, I did purchase it during the Sephora sale, so I didn't pay $30 for it, but I would pay $30 for this concealer. Like, it's actually very nice, and by itself, it's really nice as well. So you would probably, of course, want to get something that's closer to your skin tone, but it's a really nice concealer. It's creamy, but it's not cakey. Like, it's like a toned down from my LA Girl Pro Concealer, but like the same coverage, if that makes sense. Like, how do you do the same coverage but be lighter than that? This right here. Normally, I will go ahead and blend this out, but I've been kind of feeling the routine of doing my contour at the same time and then actually blending that first and then blending out the concealer. So during the sale, I did purchase the Makeup by Mario Soft Sculpt Shaping Stick. But you guys, when I tell you, I don't know, it's soft. And maybe it was just a little too soft for what I was looking for, but it just kind of ended up blending out to nothing. And maybe when you're doing more of like a no foundation and like no makeup for real makeup type of look, it would make sense. But for me, I was just like, girl, where is it at? Like, it just was not, it was not showing up the way I needed it to show up. So when I thought about it, because I believe that also was $30, I was like, is it worth me keeping? And y'all know me, I'm not really a returner. I'll usually just end up keeping something just because I don't want to deal with the hassle of returning it. But I was like, absolutely not. I went back to the store actually today and returned that, as well as I got some Olaplex bonding oil, returned that because I just was not sold. And y'all, if you follow me on Instagram, then you know, but I purchased a hair like treatment that's supposed to help with kind of revitalizing and reviving your heat damaged curls. So I end up purchasing the K18 that everybody and their mama be hyping up, y'all. And when I tell you that I was so shocked at how bad it made my hair look. And then when I went to the hair shop, maybe later that week, girl, she told me my hair was dead. And if you know my hair was not dead prior to. So I was really shocked when she was like, girl, we gotta cut all of this off because your hair is dead. Like, what did you do? And I was just like, I ain't been doing nothing. And then I'm like, I ordered the K18, I used it, and I could tell while I was letting it sit. So you let it sit on your hair for like 4 minutes. It's supposed to activate. Girl, what's activating? To me, that sounds like a chemical type of like processing, which I feel like that's what it was, honestly, because I had such healthy hair. If you guys follow me, like I said, on Instagram, you've seen my hair prior to, girl, my shit was luscious. It was banging, okay? But then all of a sudden when I used that, I saw it literally like frying my hair in a way. I don't know. I literally could not tell you what exactly changed my hair, like texture and everything like that. When she did my hair, that was the only thing that I had added to my process that I saw with my own eyes as I was letting it sit and activate, really just dry out my hair in a way that I was just like, oh no, this don't look good. So I purchased that. That shit, you guys, is like $70 something. I would never recommend that you buy it. I didn't say anything about it when I talked about it on Instagram because I was just like, I don't want to like, be dissing nobody. But since we're here and we're talking about what I purchased and I'm telling you guys I returned it, I would not recommend that K18 stuff. Save your money. Like I said, it's pretty expensive, and maybe it was just like my curls that it doesn't work for. But I mean, I'm just like, I don't really have super tight curls, but then I don't have super loose curls. So I don't know. I've seen, women of color using it, and I've seen people not of color using it. And some women love it, some don't. I just did not love that. I did not love it at all. So I returned that as well. And then the Olaplex oil, like I said, I don't know, it just didn't do anything for me. I was just like, well, I already had the Mazzani oil, so I was just like, I'm gonna just keep using that because it wasn't really broke. I thought maybe the Olaplex was gonna be just a little bit better, but again, it was nothing special. It did nothing for me, so I was just like, yeah, no, I'm gonna go get my money back. So those 3 products alone was like $120 that I got back. And like I said, I'm normally somebody that's like, oh, I'll just keep it because I already have it. No, girl, I had to go get my coins. So today, since I don't have that Makeup by Mario stick, I am just using my Fenty matchstick in the shade Truffle, and I have to just go back to the drawing board when it comes to another contour because this works. It's nothing wrong with it at all. I just wanted to try something new. But yeah, one of the things that I did love before I ran out of it was the Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation stick, I believe it was, or sculpting stick, whatever, in the shade Cameroon. That was freaking beautiful, and every time I try to look, it's sold out. Julia, girl, where's Cameroon? I need Cameroon back in my life because that was so beautiful. It was so creamy. It went on very nicely. Okay, so as you guys see, it's still giving skin. Like, I feel like it's very, very healthy looking skin right now. Nothing looks too cakey. Even underneath my eyes, like I said, this Kosas concealer, it's like a step down from LA Girl Pro, like the consistency, but the coverage is still there. It's very beautiful. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna take my Danessa Myricks Cheek and Lip Palette. Y'all know I got this last Sephora sale, and at first I didn't love it, but then I started to fall in love. So I'm gonna use the shade Wallflower here to add just a little bit more like depth, but also some color to my cheeks. And Wallflower is so natural. This entire palette, in my opinion, is very natural, depending on how you like mix and match the colors. But like for people's makeup, when I use this, it's just like so pretty. You could honestly wear this by itself. It blends very nicely into the skin, which is why I wanted to use it, because like I said, this is giving a very skin-like makeup look. So this is one of the products that I definitely would recommend, that I still use till this day. I don't know yet if they sell it in stores, but if you can, order it because it's definitely worth it. I actually also got some Danessa Myricks stuff from a coworker. So she had tried out these products. She said they didn't work out for her, so she gave them to me, and they're very much like not used. So she gave me the Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder, and she also gave me the Yummy Skin Glow Serum Priming Face Serum. So both of these, I have not tried these yet. So if you guys actually want to see me use these and create a whole look and give it like, you know, a nice wear test, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up because I'll definitely do it. This Dewy Cheek and Lip Palette was actually my first product by Danessa Myricks, because for a great deal of time you could only purchase it online, and I really did not like the idea of that because I'm like, well, how am I gonna know if I like it, girl? How do I know if I need this? How do I know that it's my type of product? But I took a gamble on this, and like I said, been using it till this day. Now I haven't used it for my lips, and maybe we'll give that a try today. I don't know what lip color I'm gonna go for, but maybe we'll give that a try and, you know, see what that looks like. But y'all know me, I am gonna go in with my Joy blush by Rare Beauty because why not? And I'm just gonna do one dab on the cheeks. Keep it nice and light. And I'm gonna use the brush that I used to blend my foundation to blend this one on out and backwards. All right, and to set my face, y'all already know we're gonna hit the Laura Mercier setting powder. I'm gonna take my poof and I'm gonna just dab some off on the back of my hand and set underneath my eye. I'm also go on top of that blush and lock that in. You guys, I want to do a like sit down makeup look type of chit chat kind of video next because I've been gone. I didn't want this to be that video because I just really want to show you guys real quick the new stuff that I got and, you know, really just get this out there for you guys because it's late. So I'm probably going to post it on Instagram and ask you guys to ask me some questions over there because that's the easiest way for me to kind of keep up with it. I did not forget about the giveaway, you guys. I've been actually working on the giveaway while I've been MIA, and I just actually need to go ahead and roll it out for y'all. So what I'm gonna do, because this giveaway is actually gonna be a big giveaway for any giveaway that I've done on my channel. So I'm actually going to be having 3 different winners because we're going to be doing 3 different giveaways to celebrate 3 different milestones. So all of those communications regarding those giveaways are going to be coming from my YouTube channel. So you need to make sure that you're subscribed. But that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed sitting down and finally creating some content with you guys. It's been a while, but there's no time like the present. So we're not going to look back. But we are going to look forward to seeing this eyeshadow look because I did go ahead and film this. But let me know what you guys think about this makeup look, what you guys think about these products. Have you tried them? Do you want to try them? There were some misses that I didn't even get to show you guys. But if you guys love it, let's argue in the comments because I'm standing firm on why I returned all of those products. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you did like this. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do post every Tuesday and Friday. We're getting back to it. I know I shouldn't even say that, but we're getting back to it because I either post on Tuesday or Friday. And make sure to turn on that notification bell, that way you don't miss the next video because we're going to be getting into this eye look. I actually filmed it for you guys, and you guys have never seen me use glitter on this channel because I really don't. But in that video, I'll also drop some gems of what you guys will be receiving in the giveaway. So make sure you guys tune in and make sure you guys are subscribed because honestly, that's half of the entry right there. So thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, and now Limit 8. I will link all of those down below so that way you can easily click and follow so you have no excuses, girl. You need to be following me. But I thank you guys so much for spending some time with me today. It's been a while, but I really appreciate you guys showing up, giving me some of your time, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.